Need to copy a conversation from Microsoft Teams? Whether you're saving info or sharing it with others, I'll show you two easy methods to get it done. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and head to the chat you want to copy. You can open any recent or past conversation from the chat tab on the left. Then scroll to the specific message or part of the conversation you want, right-click on it and select Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now go to the place where you want to paste it, whether that's another chat, an email, or a document. Right-click and choose Paste, or press Ctrl+V. The second method is to use the snipping tool. Open it, click the camera icon, then hit the plus icon to take a screenshot. Simply screenshot the chat section you want to share, then paste it where needed. Great for quick snapshots or visual references. And that's how you copy a conversation in Microsoft Teams, either with simple copy-paste or by using the snipping tool. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more Microsoft 365 tips. See you next time!